Good afternoon, this is Jake Rossman for Digital Trends. We are here at the Drone Rodeo 2018 as part of CES. I'm here with Fatshark. They have a new product out just for CES called the Fatshark Drone Training System 101, and it comes with a first-person view headset as well as a micro drone that you can fly indoor outdoors, and it's great for entry into the market if you just want to kind of dip your toes into drone racing, and you can fly it indoor and outdoors. And so I'm here with Martin from Fatshark. Why don't you tell us a little bit more about this drone?
Sure, yeah. So, I mean, I think a lot of people have seen drone racing on ESPN or on CBS, and they're like, how do I get into drone racing? This is the kit that does that. It makes it simple. It lowers the barrier to entry into drones, into drone racing, into sport drones, so that you can easily understand it and that you can do it at an affordable price point. So, like for now, for example, the problem if you want to get into drone racing is a lot of times you have to buy $800 drone, $500 headset, and then you have to like make it all work together. You have to like build it and have parts and soldering irons, and that's really just too hard for a lot of people who want to get into drones. And to fix that, we've kind of made a simple solution that's all in one box. Open it up, kit's all there, plug it in, go out and fly. And then if you want to go deeper in, you can start to upgrade components. So Lincoln's wearing the headset that comes with it, which is the Recon, but you could upgrade to like the pro grade headset if you want, or you could upgrade to different radios, quads if you want as well.
The different headsets, a difference of frequency and refresh rates, or what like this is a like standard def headset, you can go up to HD.
Yeah, I mean it's basically like, you know, upgrading from like a Ford Taurus to BMW M3, right? Like, so I'm not going to hold back, right? This is the Ford Taurus of headsets. It's simple. It allows you to get into FPV, learn about it, and then if you want, then you can start upgrading components. And that's the great thing about the industry, right? Because like, you know, if you're terrible at it, or if you crash it or you ruin it, you're not out $1,000 with this kit. You're at $249, and then you can like replace certain components as needed.
And so when does this go on sale, and how much can people pick it up for?
Just went on sale. It's great. So we were doing pre-orders for the last 2 weeks. That just wrapped up. It's getting into store shelves right now. We're still keeping it in a fairly like hobby-focused circuit, so it's not going to be in Best Buy, but like places like Get FPV, Horizon, and Ready Made RC. These are online places. You can get them there right now. I think they should be in stock this week, and it's $249.
So Lincoln, he's our pilot here. What are your impressions of picking this up and flying it right out of the box? Like, how hard will it be for the average consumer, maybe who's never even flown a drone before, to pick this up and fly it with a reasonable amount of control?
I'd say this is a relatively easy kit to just pick up and start flying. It has 3 separate modes, so you have an easy mode, mid-range mode, and an advanced mode. And with that, it stabilizes the quad for you, so you're actually able to kind of just learn the controls without having to worry about it just flying away. So I'd say for the beginner, this is a really good kit to go with.
Great. So as you've seen here, it's $249. It's a great price point for an entry-level FPV racing drone if you just want to dabble your toes and get into racing. So guys, let's just take these out here to the tent and get flying. Sound good? Cool. It probably takes a minute or two to like fully trick your brain
That you're not moving.
Exactly.